Hey. What are you doing out on the porch all by yourself? Yeah, I know, I just got in. I had to work late. But I'm here now. Would you like some company? Oh, it's kind of chilly tonight, eh? Oh, I forgot. You're too big and tough to feel cold, right? Well, I brought a blanket anyways, so if you could indulge me and wrap it around us, that'd be great. Yes, I know you're doing it for me. Definitely not because you're shivering. Come here. What do you mean, what do I want? I don't want anything. I just wanted to come out here and hang out with you for a little bit. And, maybe see if you wanted to talk about this. I found the envelope on the kitchen table. The rest of the mail was open. I thought you'd forgotten one, so I picked it up and, yeah. Looks like your father's handwriting, doesn't it? No. No, that is not why I'm here. Really, it's not. I'm not gonna tell you to talk to him or try to convince you to forgive him. That's really, really not my place. I just wanted to see how you were and let you know that I'm here for you if you ever want to talk about this. Why didn't you open it? Mm-hmm. Do you know what he wants? Okay. You don't need to look at it if you don't want to. I was just asking. Listen, I know you don't like talking about this, and that's fine. I can talk for a while. Because I love you, and I think there are things you need to hear. Things I worry you don't believe about yourself. I know it affects you, even if you don't allow yourself to show it. You're strong and stoic, and I admire that greatly. But sometimes when the morning light hits you just right, I get to see all of those little cracks. And I see how hard you try and hold the pieces together. It must be so exhausting. But I get it. Or at least I try to get it. So the real reason I came out here is that I need to make sure you hear me when I tell you that this right here, it doesn't change who you are as a person. It doesn't change all the amazing things about you. And most of all, I hope you know it doesn't change how I see you. I know it hasn't been easy for you, and I'm really sorry you've had to deal with this. And I'm really sorry he couldn't be a better father to you. You deserved better. You did. Hey, look at me. You did. You deserve a loving and caring father. And he took that away from you. And that's not something you need to bear on your own. You know, this might sound weird, but sometimes I think about what a wonderful dad you're gonna be. Actually, I can't wait to see it. You're a really wonderful, generous person, and I have no doubt in my mind that you will make the most amazing father. You're nothing like him. You know that, right? And I mean, I know that I don't know him, but I know enough. Whatever else he might have passed on to you, your character and your integrity, that's all you. You're right. I don't know what it's like. But I know that I love you, and you mean everything to me. And it kills me to see you hurting. And I want nothing more than to be able to fix this for you, but I know I can't do that. So, instead, I can sit with you and hold your hand and tell you how much you mean to me for as long as it takes until you finally hear me. No, stop it, sweetheart. Don't apologize to me. Not about this. Hey, listen to me. There is no reason for you to feel guilty. No matter what, he should have been there when you needed him. That's how it works. That's the deal. And when he broke that deal, he lost all right to disapprove or judge you or want anything from you. He just can't. It's not on you. It's never on the child. You hear me? He failed you, not the other way around. No, I don't think you should reach out to him, and I don't think you shouldn't. This has to come from you. I think you should do whatever feels right to you, when it feels right. And know that no matter what you choose to do, I will be right by your side through it all. Always. I know this is a battle you need to take on yourself, but that doesn't mean you have to be alone. I love you very much. You know that? How about I go make us some tea before bed? No, you stay here. I'll go get it. Yeah, just stay out here and relax. And when I get back, maybe we can lie back and look at the stars together. Okay, sounds good. I'll be right back.